Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your WordPress admin with an account that has full privileges. Once logged in, go straight to Appearance and choose Menus or Customize then Menus. This gives you the live preview and menu structure. Make sure you identify which menu location is active for your header, footer, or mobile slot so you know what to remove. If a plugin controls menus, note its name now. These first steps ensure you operate on the correct menu rather than deleting the wrong navigation. You now perform the removal. If you simply want the bar gone, either delete all menu items and save or assign a different empty menu to the active location. That removes links. Once done, check your theme settings or the customizer for a header/navigation visibility toggle and disable it. If the theme lacks a toggle, add a small CSS rule, target the nav/menu selector, and set display none to hide the bar without touching menu data. Save changes and refresh the front end to verify. You finish by clearing any caching. Purge your WordPress cache plugin, CDN, and browser cache, then reload the site. Cached assets often show the old bar. Make sure to test both mobile and desktop because themes can render different menus at breakpoints. If the bar persists, open Browser DevTools, inspect the element to find the exact selector, and apply an overriding CSS rule with important or update the child theme style sheet. One quick troubleshooting tip: disable menu-related plugins temporarily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.